Magandang umaga. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. Today, I'm going to try a breakfast food. I'm going to try something called Champorado. They have it in the Philippines and it's delicious. I've actually had this before, but it's different today because I've never had these two combinations together. I've got the Champorado, but I've also got this. This is dilis, or as I say in England, we call this anchovies. It's little fish, and in the Philippines, this is one thing I like about their foods. They have a mixture of different flavours that they combine together, so sweet and salty. Certainly in this case, this is my cacao, this is this one, and I've got my salty fish. What they do is they combine salt with sweet, so let's try that. So yeah, I've never tried this together. I've tried the two things separately. This is nice. The saltiness of the fish, the anchovies, on its own, some people find it a little bit overpowering, but when you mix it with 100% cacao in the champorado, which is essentially just rice mixed with champorado, the cacao. It's really delicious. Alright. This is perfect. It's like porridge, but chocolatey.
Try this one. Put in your champorado.
Oh, the evaporated milk.
Oh, evaporated.
It tastes alright without. And put a little bit in. Extra flavour. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, it changes colour. Makes it lighter. The evaporated milk, that makes it more, well, creamy, I guess. But more smooth, because cacao's quite a powerful taste. Some people find it a little bit bitter. And this just evens it out a little bit. Yeah, it makes it more creamy. That was the evaporated milk. It's delicious. Would you like some?
Oh, yeah. Like this. Oh, like this one. What I want, like this.
Oh, you put it in the spoon. Don't usually eat anchovies, but when it's mixed together, it's delicious. I mean, champorado is delicious anytime, isn't it? Because it's a very good food for the winter time. And I know you don't have winter time in the Philippines because it's hot year round, but you get typhoon season, and that's kind of like winter, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's as cold as it's going to get. Mind you, I'm halfway through it pretty much, so I can't be that shocked that it's champorado. Delicious. There's different foods, isn't there, that you can combine together. What's the other one in the Philippines where they mix with a soy sauce?
Adobo?
No, not adobo, it's fruit. It's santol.
Ah, yeah, santol.
That's the other one I would like to have. I don't know if we can get that here. We're there in the Philippines, and you mix the santol with the soy sauce. Sounds kind of strange, but again, it's the combination of flavours. So you have, in the Philippines, you have salt, you have sweet, you have sour. Have I missed any out? Salt, you've got sweet, you've got sour.
That's it.
I feel like I'm missing one. But, okay.
Some they would like spicy.
Oh, spicy. When you mix it all together, you mix the different flavours. So you have, for example, bagon, which is like a fermented paste of fish or shrimp. And you have that with something sweet like mango. And on its own, bagon is quite strong and It's not really for me, but when you mix it with mango, it's really, really delicious. It's really good. I think the weirdest thing we have here, it's not really a weird thing because it's what we grew up eating, but we have bananas with bread. Yeah, you literally chop up banana and then you put that in the bread and then you put butter and yeah, delicious. Just shove it in your mouth.
Like banana with rice.
Well, banana with rice, there you go. But that again makes sense because it's, yeah, cause they're both sweet, but the vanilla, I suppose, it's from the banana, isn't it? Sort of flavours it a little bit.
Have you tried coffee with rice?
But you mean actually put the coffee in the rice? No, but I've tried rice coffee, remember?
Rice coffee, yeah. But I mean, the coffee with the rice.
I've never tried that, but maybe we should.
It's easy.
Is that a real thing, or you just made it up?
It's a real thing.
I'll try it. I'll try any food. I mean, I've eaten tarantulas and scorpions, so coffee with rice sounds pretty delicious.
Before, if we don't have ulam, we just make coffee.
So, for example,
That one ulam.
yeah, this is my ulam. That's what I'm supposed to explain. This is ulam for my champorado. See?
Ulam.
Ulam.
What's ulam in English?
I have no idea. Partner, maybe? But you taught me that concept.
Husband of your right.
Before I met my wife, I didn't do any cooking. I still don't do much cooking. I'm pretty terrible in the kitchen. I know where it is, but that's because we don't live in a mansion. The cooking is mostly done by my wife. She's fantastic.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, Maganda. Bahadna mahal kita. But my wife is a fantastic cook, and one of the things my wife taught me, and it's quite a big thing in the Philippines, I think, is they always have a partner with their food. So when my wife said to me, "What's my partner with my food?" first time, it was a new concept to me because I never thought what goes with rice. You have meat, you have veg. So it was a new way of thinking for me. Salamat, Maganda.
Wala ka naman.
Alright guys, I'm practically finished now, so I'm going to leave the video there. Let me know in the comments, what's the unusual food combinations that you like in the Philippines or in any other country in the world. Let me know in the comment section. I'd like to try different combinations because I find it fascinating. I mean, this on its own, I wouldn't touch. But when you combine it with this, it's absolutely delicious. Masarap. Alright guys, until the next video, take care everyone. Have a great day and come on England. Ingat ka.
Bye.
Take care.